Welcome to Old School Blues Guitar, a YouTube channel for anyone interested in playing blues guitar in the traditional styles. By old school, I mean playing in the styles performed and recorded between 1925 and 1970. On this channel, you'll find a variety of free lessons covering specific songs, styles, and techniques for both acoustic and electric guitar. I'm a high school teacher who loves playing, studying, and teaching traditional blues guitar. I've been playing guitar for more than 30 years and enjoy sharing what I've learned from studying the old recordings and from playing with others. My videos are raw compared to others on YouTube, but hopefully the content will make up for my simple production values. And of course, they're free, so you have no reason to complain. The channel also includes links to other YouTube channels that feature music and lessons in the old school blues style. Feel free to contact me with any questions, comments, or insights you may have about playing blues guitar. I do take lesson requests, but my busy schedule often prevents me from putting as much time into this as I would like. Many thanks to all those who have subscribed and provided positive feedback about my channel. I truly appreciate it. My schedule's been very busy, but I hope to post many new lessons and videos in the coming weeks and months.